Watch me toss this toy at my son.
Baby's on the... Careful.
Oh, oxe, cadê o cabelo do Jonathan?
Tell me in comment what she is thinking.
Do you have to have a husband?
Nope.
This cat is living many men's dream life. Prove thief is in your home.
Scout, you better move.
Bro just wanted to play.
She's only 2 years old.
Eat.
Bro farmed aura by landing in stadium. Bro's talent is from Mars.
Sadie, high five. No.
She discovered a
Make him sit.
Hey, come here, Doug.
Killer dog.
You got a good hold of her?
Yeah.
Attack 100% damage, 0%.
Make sure your cap's on.
It's actually been looking pretty good.
Surprise that will freak you.
It cost me maybe like... No way.
Chef, ready?
To Italy because I've got a pizza oven in my garden and I want to go to the home of pizzas, go to Naples. Brilliant. You got a pizza oven. Have you ever used it?
What?
Two couples are just arguing.
Boris, do you have your bag of food? If you sit still, I still see you.
Journey, are you happy?
Get in here! You're bad! I'm sorry! She's so big she can hit the door and it opens! She's terrible!
Bro is the most flexible man I ever saw.
Leave the sheep.
Hello. I need directions here. Yes.
Calderas, is it this way? This way? Oh, that way. Okay. Thank you very much.
This dog is living dream life.
Hello. So, are you visiting? Do you want to say hello? Somebody just ate dinner. Say hi. You have oh. Awesome. Thank you, Van. Thanks for that.
Hey, are you a good girl? Or are you a bad girl?
Come here, baby! Hi!
Good job, Remy.
Did you get that?
No, I.
Rosie, want to go for a walk?
Let's go for a walk. Come on. Rosie.
Tundra, go do. Come on. Go.
I walk in here. Oh, what's that, eh? Who did that? Who did that? Do you know?
He saw a god of thunder.
Right now, but I want to show you this is an HP or a high precipitation supercell. They should have the sirens going here right now. Insane lightning, but look at
The mess all over the place. Did you do it? Did you do that? Did you do it?
Who did it? That was naughty. Was it you? Because you look very guilty. That was bad. Mommy had the house all picked up. I'm not proud of you.
Can you explain what might have happened right here,
What did you do?
Tucker? You were a bad boy today, weren't you? That's coming out of your allowance. No more tennis balls for you.
Did you get in the trash? Desi, come here. Hey. Hey. Did you get in the trash? Why are you smiling? Why are you smiling? You got in the trash, Desi. That's not good. That's bad, Desi. Why are you smiling? Huh?
I wonder who got in the trash.
Like that water?
You sure you don't want an orange peel?
Baby, are you getting it?
Yeah, I got a video of it.
Max,
Did you poop? Max. Hey. Max. Hey. Did you poop in the dining?
Max, did you poop?
Thanks for watching. Have a good day today.